Welcome you all. This is Chandra Chemistry online chemistry class. In this session, we are going to study about coordination chemistry introduction. Already we have studied some definition about salt, double salt, coordination complex, and the difference between double salt and coordination complex, types of coordination complex, types of ligands. Now we are going to study about some important terms we are used in coordination chemistry. Next we are going to discuss about some important terms used in coordination chemistry. First one is coordination entity. A chemical compound in which the central atom or ion is bound to a set of number of atoms, molecules or ions. Actually that is called as ligands. Combined together that is called as coordination entity. For example, CO, Cl3, NH3, thrice, square bracket. Actually coordination entity represented by square bracket. Next term, central atom and central ions, otherwise known as central metal atom. In a coordination sphere, consists of central metal atom as well as ligand. Therefore, central metal atom means the atom and ions to which a set number of atoms, molecules or ions involved for bonding, that is called as central metal atom. So, coordination compounds, the central atom or ions act as a Lewis acid. That means that is a electron pair acceptor. So that is normally carrying a positive charge. So ligand means the atoms, molecules or ions that are bound to the central metal atom. These ligands normally simple ions or large molecule. That is already we are discussed. Next term, coordination number. The coordination number of the central atom in the coordination compound refer to the total number of sigma bond through which the ligands are bound to the central metal atom. For example, NiNH3 4 times 2 plus. Here central metal atom is Ni, ligand is NH3. How many ligands are involved for bonding with central metal atom? 4. So that is coordination number. That whole sphere that is consists of central metal atom as well as ligand, that is called as coordination sphere. That coordination sphere is carrying a positive charge. So that is cationic complex. Only one type of ligand is present. So homoleptic complex. So next term is coordination sphere. Already we are discussed this term. The non-ionizable part of the complex compound which consists of central transition metal ion surrounded by the neighboring atoms or groups enclosed in square bracket. So this coordination center containing ligand and central metal atom. For example, CONH3 6 times Cl3. Here central metal atom is CO. NH3 is a ligand. How many ligands are present? 6. So that is coordination number. The square bracket containing CO, NH3, 6. That is called as coordination sphere. If this molecule, otherwise known as coordination complex, involved for ionization, produce CONH3 6 3 plus 3 Cl minus. Therefore, the ionized compound is containing cationic complex. So that is comes under the category cationic complex. Only one type of ligand is present. So that is homoleptic complex. Once again, listen. CONH3 6 times Cl3. For this complex, central metal atom CO, ligand NH3. How many ligands are involved for bonding with the central metal atom? 6. So, coordination number 6. Coordination sphere CONH3 6 with square bracket charge is 3 plus. What type of complex this? This is a cationic complex because that is involved for ionization, produce CONH3 6 3 plus 3 Cl minus. Here complex nature is cation. So that is cationic complex. How many types of ligands are linked with the central metal atom? 6 ligands are present, but all the ligands are only one type, that is NH3. Therefore, that is a homoleptic complex. Cationic complex and homoleptic complex also. Is it clear, ma? Next term is oxidation number. The oxidation number of the central atom can be calculated by finding the charge associated with it when all the electron pairs that are donated by the ligands are removed from it. For example, oxidation number of platinum atom in the complex PtCl6 2- is +4. If you consider platinum is an unknown oxidation compound, so that is taken as X. So X plus 6, chlorine oxidation number -1. Overall complex oxidation number is 2-. So X minus 6 equal to -2. So X equal to +4. Next term is homoleptic complex. Already we have discussed this term, but this is also one of the important term in coordination chemistry. So once again see this term. When the coordination center is bound to only one type of electron pair donating ligand group, that is called as homoleptic complex. For example, CuCN 4 times 3-. Here central metal atom is Cu, ligand Cn, coordination number 4 because 4 Cn atom is linked with central atom Cu. Only one type of ligand is present. Therefore, homoleptic complex. And the coordination sphere is carrying a negative charge, so that is anionic complex. Next term is heteroleptic complex. When the central atom is bound to many different type of ligands, that type of complex is called as heteroleptic complex. For example, CO NH3 4 times Cl2 plus. Here central metal atom CO, ligands NH3 and Cl. So two different ligands are linked with central metal atom. Therefore, this comes under the category heteroleptic complex. Coordination number 6, because 4 NH3 group, 2 Cl group is linked with central atom. The coordination sphere is carrying a positive charge. So, that complex nature is cationic complex. Finally, properties of coordination compounds. The coordination compounds formed by the transition elements are colored due to the presence of unpaired electrons that absorb light in their electronic transition. For example, the complex containing iron can exhibit green and pale green colors, but the coordination compounds containing iron have a brown or yellowish brown color. Normal salt are produce different color. Complex coordination compounds are produce different colors. When the coordination center is a metal, the corresponding coordination compounds have a magnetic nature due to their presence of unpaired electrons. Coordination compounds exhibit a variety of chemical reactivity. They can be a part of inner sphere electron transfer reactions as well as outer sphere electron transfer reaction. So, that is exhibit variety of chemical reactions. Complex compound with certain ligands have their ability to aid in the transformation of molecules in a catalytic or a stereomeric manner. These are the some properties of coordination compounds. Summary of this video is, first one is coordination entity. Coordination entity is an ion or a neutral molecule composed of a central metal atom and group of atoms that is called as ligand. Simply, coordination entity consists of central metal atom and ligand. The formula of coordination entity is enclosed in square bracket. Next term, central atom and central ions. That is, the transition metal atom occupies the central position in the coordination entity, otherwise known as coordination sphere. Actually, transition metals are positively charged, that means that is cations. Central metal ions has the ability to accept electron pair, so that is act as a Lewis acid. Next term is ligands. Ligands are the atoms or group of atoms bounded to the central atom. That means ligands that is directly bounded to the central metal atom in the coordination sphere. Normally, that is a negative charge particle or neutral charge particles. So, that is act as a Lewis base. Next term is coordination number. Coordination number is equal to the number of sigma bonds between ligands and the central atom. The number of ligands donor atom directly bounded to the central metal atom. So simply coordination number means number of ligands directly attached with central metal atom. Next term is oxidation number. The oxidation state of central metal atom in a coordination sphere is the charge it would bear if all the ligands were removed along with the electron pairs that were shared with the central atom. Normally that is represented by Roman numeral. Next term is homoleptic complex. That means all the ligands presented in the coordination sphere is a same type. If same type of ligands are linked with central metal atom, that type of complex is called as homoleptic complex. Suppose different kind of ligand atoms are linked with central metal atom, that is called as heteroleptic complex. Thank you everyone.